Look at this. It's that time of year again when we take up our knives and forks, some of we take up a spoon, to dine on some great food at discounted rates for Restaurant Week. Nordia Craig, Manager of Business Development and Marketing at The Gleaner, and Candice Minot, Brand and Integrated Marketing Manager at J&B Bank Limited, are here representing two big brands behind this year's staging, and we're going to talk about how eating out is going to be in. Morning, ladies. Welcome to Smile
Morning,
Jamaica.
Ambassador Dahlia.
Nordia, over 80 participating restaurants?
85.
Wow.
Over 85.
Wow.
And we pulled crowds of up to 40,000 last year.
Yeah.
Or a little bit over 40,000 last year. And in the last few years, that's where the crowd has been. Mm-hmm. The engagement is really great during Restaurant Week.
Do you think one of the things is because it's so diverse? For every palate, for every personality, there's a restaurant that's waiting for you to come and eat.
There is. Mm-hmm. It's exactly that. And that's how it is designed to engage at every single level. Mm-hmm. You have the tasty for the conservative pocket.
Yes.
It's starting at about $1,800. Mm-hmm. And you go up to Epicurean where you're in the region of 4,000.
Yes.
So there is something across the spectrum of restaurants. If you want to go out in the morning, there is morning bites, and if you want to go to lunch, Nyam and Scram. So you don't have to sit and
I like that because initially it was just, dinner.
Dinner.
You're going out for dinner. But now you're saying if you want to eat something in the morning, whatever time of day, there's a restaurant waiting for you. Mm-hmm. Candice, tell me now, how does JN figure into all of this?
Well, for us as a sponsor, we are so excited because we're all about experiences.
Yes.
And as a premier dining experience, Restaurant Week is a perfect fit. We want everyday value for our members, and it really fits with our whole ethos and how we do business. Mm-hmm. For us, having our members have an experience where they can get instant discounts, it's a win-win. For us, we have a JN Rewards program where we have over 200 merchants, where if you have a JN card, you can either swipe your card and get instant discounts. So for us, Restaurant Week is a no-brainer. Mm-hmm. And we have such a wonderful partnership with Stephanie Scott and also the Gleaner Online. It has been fantastic. We have 3 activations that we're planning.
Tell me about them.
We'll do a mystery diner at 15 locations where diners will get the opportunity to get their bill paid for, courtesy of J&B Bank Limited. And we're very happy about that.
Great.
We also have a restaurant tours activation where the Gleaner Online readers can go on and vote for a tour that we'll be hosting, and we will give you just a peek into the menu options because people want to feel, they want to taste, they want to see, they want to be a part of the experience. And the icing on the cake is our trip for 2 persons and a guest to go to the South Beach Wine and Food Festival. Once you have a JN Visa credit card and you dine during Restaurant Week, you'll get the chance, you'll get an opportunity to go to what we're dubbing it Miami's finest.
That's what I was going to ask you.
Miami's finest Wine and Food Festival.
Because when we hear South Beach, I wonder if she's talking the foreign South Beach or the South Beach here. So you mean the United States of foreign South Beach?
All expense paid by J&B Bank will give you a 2-day, 3 days, 2-night experience.
What?
You'll get to go to the Food Network Wine and Food Festival, and we know that's the top tier.
It is.
Because we're all about creme de la creme experiences for our members. And they've been craving that. They want us to get out there and they want to experience all locally and abroad. So it's just a perfect partnership for us.
That sounds like if I don't have a JN card, I need to get one.
You need to sign up. And you need to come out, you know?
And of course.
Yes, Nadia. Nadia, so it's 6 meal categories, we said. Yes. Morning bites, Nyam and Scram, and it comes from tasty up to Epicurean. 85 restaurants. Where are the restaurants this year?
We are in several cities. Kingston, Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Old Harbor this year is our new addition to the list of cities that participate. Bluefields in Westmoreland, those areas are in as well.
Portmore, Spanish
Spanish Town, everywhere.
Yeah. This is amazing, guys. And Neville's going to
Runaway
talk.
Bay, don't forget.
Come again?
Yes, Runaway Bay.
Runaway Bay. So there is nowhere that you are in Jamaica
That you can't access
And
a
do you know what I
restaurant.
like
That's
about?
what
Yes,
it
you know what I like about it too.
Yes.
You can be in Kingston and decide that you want to have dinner in Runaway Bay,
Right.
can.
And go
Yes.
to a
You can.
restaurant there.
Right.
And
So it's kind of
being good time, do an early sitting.
Yeah, because eating out is in.
Yeah.
So you can go to your favorite restaurant and go to something
Right.
new.
And for the viewers, they can go online and see the full list of restaurants and prices.
Yes.
They'll also see our activations. They can go on and vote at Go Jamaica Dash Restaurant Week, and it's going to be fantastic. So
Awesome. I have to ask
all
you,
about-
Narda, where we have to go to Neville, but where do we find this that you've given me?
Oh, they'll be giving out through the Gleaner, the Gleaner vendors on the road, and
Okay.
we'll be having people passing them out. Everything that happens is showcased in the food pages in the Gleaner. Like today, you can look and see daily
Yeah, eat
eating
bread
dessert
pudding.
again. Last
Again.
week was the same thing, don't it?
Yes.
and for the sponsors,
Yes.
you know, there
Our
are so many sponsors.
Great sponsors. JN is with us for the first time, and I'm sure they're going to be staying. Our other new sponsors are Rainforest Seafood, which is another great partnership
We have to
for
just thank all of
restaurants.
them one time now.
Multilink, JPS, and Wallingford.
Right.
Nice.
Those are the new
And-
people. And the returning, Absolute, Robert Mondavi Wines, CB Chicken, Frigidaire, Guardian, Gaspro Gustazos, Herald Printers, and of course Pepsi, with Pepsi as well as Ocean Spray.
Right.
Nice, wonderful. And you can go follow Restaurant Week Jamaica on Facebook or on Instagram or
Right.
on Twitter. No. So now, ladies, I'm going to ask you to head on over to Neville because we're going to have a soup taste challenge. All right? Good luck.
Thank you.
You guys have to do it very quickly because we're out of time. So, Miss Nordia, where are you going?
Well, let me see here on left hand.
Okay.
So you have to taste it and you have to write down the key ingredients in there.
What?
Now, you
Okay.
don't have much time. So that is A and this is B right there. So let's go. And I'll tell you whether you got it right or not. We have a little music. Yeah, you can tell me, you don't have to just write, tell me what you tasting.
You know, I'm tasting some lovely Scotch bonnet. I'm not going to give Nordia any
This tastes
ideas.
like chicken. Tastes like chicken.
Yeah,
There are, of course, carrots are very obvious. Potato.
yeah.
I'm
Nardia,
seeing
tell me
some
what you have
fish
now,
in
Nardia.
mine.
Hey, Nardia.
I have chicken, carrots, potatoes.
And you?
And I have carrot, I have Scotch bonnet, onion, fish, potato. I'm seeing a little thyme in there too. Yeah, so I think I got it. And
Well, I'll tell you what it says here. Green split peas, which you didn't tell me.
No.
Carrot, did you tell me that?
Yes, I did.
Did you tell me onion?
No.
Did you tell me yam?
No.
Did you tell me smoked turkey neck?
No, I
You said chicken, so you're wrong. And you
Oh
got
my God.
carrots. You told me
Palliative
carrots.
care.
yes,
Onion,
yes,
broad beans.
no broad beans.
No broad beans. Cow skin.
Oh, it's cow skin. Wow.
All right. You still win something. You can have this.
Thank you. We just want to
You have that
encourage
one.
your viewers to
I'm
visit
trying
at
to swim a
janebank.com where they'll learn more about our Restaurant Week activations. Also, janerewards.com where they'll learn about our discount partners.
Thanks,
And
sir.
of course, continue to watch the Gleaner in print and on gojamaica.com/restaurant week.
Fantastic. All right, Nordia Craig, Manager of Business Development and Marketing at the Green, and Candice Minot, the Brand and Integrated Marketing Manager at JN Bank Limited. As well as a big thank you to Dean Kirkland of Simmer Soupery and Bakery for providing the soup. So you can actually have it if you want.
Thank you.
You're most
It was
welcome.
delicious.
Yes. We're going to go for a break. We'll soon come. Stay with us, please.